Okay, dear friends, or dear students rather, you are welcome to the new chapter on geometry by J.K. sir. Quadrilateral. Quadri का meaning है four-sided. Four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. Quadri. Tri meaning three. Quadri मतलब four. Penta मतलब 5, hexa मतलब 6. So this is a quadrilateral मतलब a four-sided figure. ऐसा एक फिगर को ABCD is a quadrilateral four-sided figure. But four-sided figure cannot be like this. ये possible नहीं है. This is not a quadrilateral. Four-sided तो है, but it should be a convex set. Point should be a convex set. From any point to any point when I draw, the entire thing lies in that. Whereas from here, suppose the point P is there, Q is there. If I draw the line, part of the segment goes outside the figure. Therefore, this is not a quadrilateral. It should be a convex set. Convex set का मतलब any point to any point when we draw, it should be inside the figure. But this is not inside. This is not inside. Therefore, this is not a quadrilateral. Here, everywhere, from here to here, from here to here, we draw every point lies in that convex set. Alright, this is a quadrilateral. Now, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degrees. Suppose this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle equal to 360. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360. Very easily we can understand this. If I draw a diagonal like this, is called a diagonal. This is a triangle. Triangle का total angle 360 degree. This is another triangle. Triangle का total angle, 180 degrees. This is also 180 degrees. 180 plus 180, 360 degrees. So total angle of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degrees. This is a theorem. You can remember that. Prove करने का जरूरत नहीं है. This is a quadrilateral. Now coming to the most important part of a quadrilateral. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Spelling बराबर लिखेगा. I think it is whatever. Parallelogram बोलते हैं. हम लोग लिखते हैं इसका. This is the parallelogram. बोलते हैं parallelogram. तो parallelogram ऐसा होना चाहिए. Anyway, what is a parallelogram? A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. Is called a parallelogram. A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. Suppose this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this, then it is a parallelogram. Opposite side parallel hoga, that quadrilateral is called a parallelogram. So let us see a parallelogram. AD is parallel to BC and AB parallel to DC. AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to BC. Then quadrilateral ABCD is parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. This is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. This side parallel to this side parallel to this side. Then if opposite sides are parallel, the quadrilateral is called parallelogram. This is of course a quadrilateral. It has got four sides. If the opposite sides are parallel, therefore it has got a special name called parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. Very important. What is a parallelogram? पूछेगा तो तुम्हारा आंसर होएगा. A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. Yes. Right. Now, we have got theorems. Everywhere in geometry we have got theorems. Theorems and theorems. So we write parallelogram. Theorems. First theorem number 1. Opposite sides and opposite angles of a parallelogram ऐसा लिखते हैं parallelogram are congruent. This is theorem number 1. If there is a parallelogram, suppose I give you that ABCD is a parallelogram. मैंने दिया तुमको, this is a parallelogram. मतलब this is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. ABCD is a parallelogram. दिया है. Then what does this theorem say? Opposite sides are congruent. That means this is congruent to this. If this is 10, this also will be 10. That's the theorem saying. Opposite sides are congruent. If this is 5, this also is 5. Opposite sides are congruent. This is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. That's the first part of the theorem. Second part of the theorem is opposite angles are congruent. If this is 110, this also will be 110. If this is 70, this also will be 70. Opposite angles are congruent. This is congruent to this. Angle A congruent to angle C and angle B congruent to angle D. AD congruent to BC, AB congruent to BC. So what is a parallelogram? पूछेगा तो बोलेगा opposite sides are parallel. बस opposite sides are parallel. That quadrilateral is called a parallelogram. What is the theorem or property of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are congruent. This is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. This angle congruent to this angle, this angle congruent to this angle. These are the properties of parallelogram. हमको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. कोई भी theorem हमको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. So this theorem we are going to prove now. A, B, C. Given quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. Therefore, AB parallel to BC and AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to DC. It's a parallelogram. Therefore, this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. Construction. कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है? जॉइन बी, जॉइन BD, diagonal BD. So join diagonal BD. This is diagonal BD. BD पीने का नहीं, लेकिन BD you have to draw. Draw BD. Now in triangle ABD, proof. In triangle BAD or ABD, this triangle ABD and triangle CD, this triangle ABD and this triangle CBD. This angle is congruent to this angle. कारण क्या है? We will say that AB parallel to CD because these are opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram. This is parallel to this. Therefore, angle ABD congruent to angle CDB equal to X. Yeah. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. They are alternate angle of these two parallels. Again, similarly, we can say this is congruent to this. कारण क्या है? This is of the Z shape. Z shape है ना? Similarly, angle ADB congruent to angle DBC equal to Y. Again, alternate angles. And BD congruent to BD. Common set. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABD congruent to triangle CDB. By angle side angle test. This triangle here is congruent to this triangle here. These two triangles are congruent by angle side angle congruent to angle side angle. ASA congruent to ASA. Angle side angle test. Therefore, we can say AD congruent to BC, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. दूसरा AB AD congruent क्या लिखा? AD congruent to BC लिखा है. AD congruent to BC हो गया. This is congruent to this. दूसरा AB congruent to DC. This is congruent to this. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. So we have said that this side congruent to this side, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. This side congruent to this side, corresponding sides of congruent triangle, and angle A congruent to angle C, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So this is congruent to this. Similarly, we can prove that angle B congruent to angle D. Similarly, we can prove that this is congruent to this is x plus y, This also is x plus y. Similarly, we can prove that angle B congruent to angle B. I hope you understood. Yes, note down please. Okay, second theorem. Diagonals bisect each other. In any parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Suppose I draw a parallelogram here. A, B, C, D. The two diagonals. One diagonal BD, the other diagonal cigarette P. One diagonal BD, दूसरा diagonal AC. They meet at O. BD and AC meet at O. The two diagonals. They bisect each other का मतलब this diagonal bisect this diagonal मतलब this is equal to this and this is equal to this. वो हमको prove करना है. Diagonals bisect each other. So we are to prove that in quadrilateral proof, in parallelogram proof, in parallelogram A, B, C, D, AC and BD, the diagonals, diagonal AC and diagonal BD meet at O at this point. To prove, क्या prove करना है? Diagonals bisect each other. To prove that AO congruent to CO and BO congruent to DO. We have to prove that this is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. Proof. In triangle AOD and BOC and triangle CO, AOD and BOC. We already proved that AD congruent to BC. Prove. Or you can write opposite sides of parallelogram. Angle AOD congruent to angle BOC. Vertically opposite angle. This is congruent to this. We have proved this is congruent to this. And again, this angle here equal to this angle here. They are alternate angles. These two lines are parallel and they are alternate angles. Angle DAO congruent to angle BCO. DAO congruent to angle BCO. Alternate angles. Reason is alternate angles. Therefore, angle side congruent to angle side. About triangle, which are the two triangles? AOD congruent to triangle BOC by angle, side. Angle, side test. Therefore, AO congruent to CO and AO congruent to CO and इधर DO congruent to BO. DO congruent to BO. This is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Therefore, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of a, this is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. Therefore, this diagonal bisect this diagonal bisect this diagonal. ये forget it. Hello students, we now go for the converse of the above theorem. We have studied a theorem saying that in a quadrilateral, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent and opposite angles are congruent. अभी reverse क्या है? This is a quadrilateral PQRS. It's a quadrilateral. We have to prove that it's a parallelogram. PQRS is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are congruent. This is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. हमको prove करना है this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. उन लोग क्या दिया है? This is congruent to this. Opposite sides are congruent. This is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. हम लोग को prove करना है this is a parallelogram. मतलब हम लोग को prove करना है this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. वो prove करना है. Given in quadrilateral PQRS, PS congruent to QR and PQ congruent to SR. To prove quadrilateral PQRS is parallel. उसका मतलब हमको प्रूव करना है this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. वो प्रूव करना है. Construction. Joint QR. इसको ज्वाइन करेंगे. QR नहीं, QS. Join QS. QS को ज्वाइन करना है. Join QS. Now, देखो इधर. Very simple. Are these two triangles congruent? Very easily say. This is congruent to this and this is congruent to this and this is the common side. So, triangle PQS congruent to triangle PQS के बदले RSQ. Triangle RSQ are congruent by SSS test. किसी को भी देखने से मालूम पड़ता है this is congruent to this and this is congruent to this and this is common. Therefore, angle this angle congruent to this angle, angle PQS congruent to this is congruent to this, PQS congruent to RSQ equal to X. Corresponding angles of congruent triangle. They are corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Also, angle this congruent to angle this, angle RQS congruent to angle PSQ equal to Y, again corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Same as. Therefore, now this is congruent to this, matlab PQ congruent to this angle congruent to this, therefore PQ parallel to RS. This is congruent to this, ka matlab this is parallel to this. Reason, alternate angle test. For parallelism, or I will just write alternate angle test first over here. Alternate angle test for parallelism. Similarly, this is parallel to this. Okay. Similarly, if this is congruent to this, then PS parallel to QR. This is congruent to this is parallel to this. Again, alternate angle test. Okay. This is parallel to this, prove kiya. This is parallel to this, prove kiya. So what type of figure is this? This is parallel to this, prove kiya. This is parallel to this, prove kiya. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Alright, so we will go for the converse of that here. In parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent, हम लोग prove किया. Converse क्या है? If opposite angles are congruent, both opposite angles, this congruent to this and this congruent to this, then this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Very simple. Opposite angles are congruent होगा. दोनों pair. This pair is congruent. This pair is congruent. In that case, this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Very simple. We have proved sum of angles of quadrilateral equal to 360 degrees. This I told you already. Therefore, x plus y plus x plus y equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, 2x plus 2y equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, x plus y equal to 180 degrees. This x plus this y equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, this should be parallel to this. Therefore, angle F plus angle E equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, HE parallel to GF. HE parallel to GF. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles test. Co-interior angles. If this plus this is equal to 90 degrees, this is parallel to this. Similarly, x plus y equal to 180 degrees. Again, f plus g equal to 180 degrees. Angle f plus angle g equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, this plus this is 180 degree मतलब this is EF parallel to HG. EF parallel to HG. Same reason. We have proved this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. Therefore, what type of figure is that? It's a parallelogram. Therefore, quadrilateral EFGH is a parallelogram. Very simple. Note down this. I hope you understood this. Very important 4 theorems of the parallelogram. I hope you understood very well. Any doubt? I hope you know doubt. So, you like it, share it and subscribe.